I've got a lot of stuff to cook, so I'm just loading it right up. And if it gets a little too hot, I'll just lift the pan. I'm going to get this steak ready so that when my fire gets too hot, I can put this cold steak on it and cool the pan down.
We just put fish into a lake. Hey Mom, yeah, I was worried you were going to leave me. Well, somebody told me to fix this, so I ran over here.
Okay, this fire's reached the temperature that I was expecting it to reach. It's a little too hot for bacon. So we'll get the bacon off while it's still good. And we'll put our big old steak on. And that'll absorb lots of heat. Just put it right on top of the bacon. And we'll get our eggs going. Alright, I think these eggs are done. Oops, almost lost the eggs. Let's get this steak out and cut it.
I want to play Mario Makers again.
It's about a medium rare.
Emma would never say no to steak.
Steak is amazing.
Is it good?
It's really good.
Toasty English muffin?
Should we bring some of this steak up a little bit for the kids?
Yeah, maybe.
Up like what?
Well, yeah, maybe just a couple pieces.
What do you mean up?
Just cook it a little more.
That tastes amazing. Don't cook it anymore.
English muffin?
Can you make me an English muffin one too?
I'll go for one. Okay, I'm toasting these 2 English muffins.
Here we go, steak and egg sandwich. Bacon egg on an English muffin. Here, Junie. Well, that was a satisfying breakfast. So satisfying, in fact, that I need another cup of coffee. There you go.